Best life, I told y'all, I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends, turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like screw.
Okay, so before I get started, like in depth with this video, I just wanted to let you guys know these braids, I did them myself. I did not go to any beautician to do it for me. But this is actually my second time doing them, like after a few days of doing it the first time, because when I first did it, the method I used for it, it just didn't look good. But it just showed when I did braided up my hair the first time, it was, don't get me wrong, it looked fine for it being my first time doing it, and I didn't watch any tutorials of it. I just kind of did my own thing. But again, it was frizzy. Parts of my actual hair was like sticking out, like on the ends. Up top, it was loose, like something like that. You don't want to go out in the public, you know, looking like that. You want it to look good. Like, just to backtrack before I go more into depth, box braids, I had wanted those in general. I wanted to go to an actual beautician to do them, but I did not have the money for it, so I was like, okay, probably won't do them. And then but I wanted them because I'm going to Mississippi for college, and since it is hot out there, I'm not going to be feeling like doing my hair. So the day I got the idea to do my own box braids, because my sister had some leftover hair in her room that she wasn't going to use, so I was like, okay, might as well. So I decided to like play around with it just to see if I can do box braids myself. And so before I started putting the hair, I had a twist out in my hair. So I just took one of the twist outs that I had in the front. I just took a piece of the hair. It's like, okay, separated the hair for the box braid and just put it on there. I did that and it actually turned out very, very well. And I'm gonna put a clip up to show you how it looked. And then in that video, like it was pretty, it wasn't perfect like I said before, but it, again, being my first time doing it, I didn't watch any videos on how to do it, it's pretty decent. So I was like, okay, I took another one of my twist outs, or my twist, and I did another one. So I did 3 of them. I was like, okay, this is pretty decent. So I decided, I was like, well, my sister has a lot of hair, so I might as well like do my whole head to see how it turned out. And so that's what I ended up doing. I had to repart my hair, because in the twist that I just grabbed pieces and twisted. So I ended up reparting my hair, and then I did all that, and then in the pictures, I'm going to show some more pictures for it. I ended up braiding my hair, not, it was all my hair, but when I did it at the roots, they weren't tight. They was like, they're really loose, and like in the pictures, I can show some more pictures of it. In the pictures, you can just see it was like how girls' braids look after like a few weeks later, and like their new growth is starting to show. That's how my hair looked. And then on top of that, it was frizzy. I didn't put any oil or anything in my scalp. So like 3 or 4 days after that, I decided, I was like, okay, I'm not doing anything, I might as well try to rebraid it. So day after, I went to the dollar store, and the girl, she had told me I should try the Rubberband Method to see if that works. So I was like, okay. So the day I redid my hair, I used some rubber bands, but I undid my braids, I did it carefully, and then that's how I came up with these results. I'm going to show you a video after when I finished that. Some of these are loose, which are the ones I'm going to be showing you how to do the way I did them. They do have the rubber band on it, but it was only because I was lazy and I didn't feel like unbraiding the actual braid, so I just put a braid around it with that. But it didn't last very long, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video, is just to show you how to freshen up your hair, your braids, if you don't want to take them down yet. Because I do know having braids helps a lot when it comes down to doing your hair, because a lot of people may not like doing your hair, or you don't like doing your hair. So it's just some helpful tips on what to do, or if you want to do your hair yourself. But let's get started. This product you are going to be needing is some sort of styling gel. I'm just giving you some options that you can use. You don't necessarily have to use what I'm showing you, but I personally am going to be using the Eco Styling Gel. Then you need some type of oil. I have argan oil to leave-in conditioner. It strengthens and shines your hair, and it does an absolute great job at doing it. And then I'm just showing options of combs you need. I use a detangular and then a regular comb. Also, you're going to need several rubber bands since we are going to be doing the Rubberband Method. So just get as many rubber bands as you need, or just grab a handful of it, or whatever you like. And so I'm going to get started on my hair. I'm just showing you the pieces that I am going to be redoing because of the extra space that is on that braid. The other ones are fine, so those two are going to be the ones I'm working on in this. So let's get started. So now I am just grabbing a braid, and what I'm showing you, I'm taking the rubber band off the end, and right now I'm just taking apart the braid. Make sure you do it very carefully because since this is not your hair, and just because it's hair in general, you need to be careful so that it doesn't get tangled, since you are going to be reusing that piece of hair. Unless you have more to use, then feel free to do so too. But this would just be a good way to make sure that your hair does not get all tangled up. Just be careful. Okay, so as you can see, I'm towards the end of the braid. I'm gonna pull it off to remove the hair. You see I did not get any tangles or anything. Well, actually I did get a few tangles, but I ended up getting that out. And right now I am just getting the rest of the little braids I still have left in there. And so when you remember when you first started the box braids, how we pieced it together with that one strand, I can't really explain it, but if you don't know how to start a box braid with the pieces of hair, you should watch a video. If you would like to make a video like that, I will. I took the rubber band off that piece of hair, and I am going to comb it with my detangular to make sure I don't have any knots or anything in my hair before I re-braid it. And then I'm going to put one of the styling gels in my hair. What I am going to use is Eco Styling Gel. I'm going to rub it on there. Put as much as you desire. I put a decent amount on there, but if you don't want to put a lot, don't put a lot. If you want to put a little, if you want to put a lot, put a lot. It's up to you. I'm just putting the amount I am using to make sure my hair is shiny.
Yeah, bring them out, bring them out. Hard to hear, too many girls in the house, hey. Bring them out, bring them out. I started here, I got the buzz in the cloud. I know. She got it all, but got nothing to hold. Every time I saw her,
at this point, I am going to be putting the rubber bands on the hair, hence Rubberband Method. I'm going to put it around a few times to make sure that the section is very tight, because the point of the Rubberband Method is make sure your hair is tight when it is braided. Now I'm going to be adding the hair onto my actual hair. The part where it meets the other piece of hair, that is where you're going to start at. Please just watch how I did it because I'm not very well at explaining. And then from there, I just start a regular braid. Also, if you're doing box braids, then I'm pretty sure you already know how to do braids, so yeah.
Every time I see you, it's a different vibe now. Yeah. Oh. I can't help but let you just.
Now I am just finishing up the braid. And I'm gonna add a rubber band to it's done. Okay, now this is going to be the second braid that I am working on. I'm just going to show you how I did that once more. And then if you need to see it a few more times, just to get the hang of it, just rewatch the video. If I ride with you, ain't nothing to provide for you. Ain't nobody in my life like you. Ain't nobody gonna shine like you. Show me my love. like, that's how you're gonna defend. Okay, whatever. That's how you're gonna tell the difference between which piece is gonna go where.
My team, we on a new team. My mink dragging like it's Luke King. My show pack, all the dimes there, but I be falling back from all the loose change. I drop the top on that new thing. My chocolate bra, they rock Gucci.
Okay, so
gotta know it's impossible to stop for Lauren. Got the box, I want the new thing. Yeah, she gon' show out. Before it's Wahala, roll out. Yeah, she gon' show out. Before you break it down, girl, roll out. What up? If I ride with you, better know that I'm alright for you. Better know that we can live for each other. That don't mean I gotta die for you.
Show me my love. Oh God, show me sweet love.
So there you have it, guys. That's how you can refreshen up your box braids if you want them in a little bit longer. I hope to help. It's not an expert way, but it's my way, and it makes my hair look really better when I do stuff like that. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also add me on all my social medias, and I'll be back with another video soon.